They're really close together. Oh yeah, I can see it's really close. Is that one activated yet?
No, but it's about to.
Oh.
So I'd get ready. This one's probably about to
I
activate.
hear it coming. It's probably stopping at a station. Oh. No, the one hasn't activated.
It's coming, buddy. It's about to activate this.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, good.
I've been recording, but... Oh, there it is! See, that's what I'm saying. Whatever it is, it's a high-pitched one. Hear it? It's a high-pitched.
Oh, it goes quiet.
Oh yeah, they'll do that. They'll stop.
Stop. Okay.
It's coming though. Oh, that one just activated.
No, I think that was the rail.
Yeah, but I know, but that one's down. Oh yeah, it's coming. See, look, they're incandescent ones, but they're inside of LED housings for some reason.
That's what they had.
Oh, here it comes. Why does this sound like a WCHE though? Yeah, it's coming. There it is.
Yep, the blue one.
Oh, there's a blue one coming from the other
Another one
direction.
coming.
There's another one. See it? There's a blue one coming from that way too. Oh, it just honked. Oh, because they were on the track. That was honked because they were on the track.
Correct.
Okay, we'll make sure there's nothing coming. Let's walk down.